Everyone, can you hear me? Tommy, can you hear me or not? Anna? Yes, thank you, Miko. Okay, we have a few minutes more to come to start. Okay. Mm. Hey, Tommy, where's your glasses? Ah, I need to share screen with everyone here. Okay. Okay, for those who are in already, I want you to sign in using your registered name, number one, and then on your camera also. Okay. Yeah, use your registered name as in the attendance list. If not, then I cannot mark your attendance. Krishna Isaac Leong. Krishna. Okay. Hi, Jaden. Hello, Serena. Okay, I need everyone to turn on your camera. We are going to start soon. So, yeah, let's check. Krishna, yes. Sharia. Okay, Shari. Okay, let's check. Sharia. Let's check. Tommy is here. Yes. Sharia, Serena, Miko, Krishna. Who else is here? Isaac here. Then I see Vena here. Okay. The rest of them, not too sure. Okay, all right. I want to start off first. All right, same rules. Turn on your camera. If not, then yeah. I mean, the teachers will start to call your parents already. So just to inform you that. Okay, welcome back to speed time and distance. Let's recap. Remember our magical pyramid, the triangle that help us to memorize the speed, distance, and time. Okay, so DST. Distance is equals to speed times time. Speed is distance over time. And time is distance over speed. Okay, this has never changed. All right. Okay, Tria. Okay. All right, so I hope all these are familiar to you, okay? Okay, on your cameras, please. Yes. Yeah. We have Priya here. Let's check Priya. We also have Galen here. Thank you. Thank you for waiting. Okay. Come, let's see this. Town V and town W, and they are 624 kilometers apart. All right, so there is we always use a distance line to show. Okay, don't use other line. It's forever distance line. Yeah. So you have the distance apart, and there is this little timing here telling you that Jaslyn traveling at a constant speed left town V for W. But meanwhile, there's another person, Ken, set off the same, but is from town W to town V, which is 10 kilometers faster than Jaslyn. Find Ken's speed if they meet at 13:15. Okay, now last week I remember that when we draw the distance line, I always say that you put the information for one person on the top and the other person below. Okay, so to differentiate their information. All right, so yeah, I should have almost, yes, almost all in already. Okay, and let me check. Charlotte is here, Yuanjia here, Elliot, Galen is also here. I have Moses, then I have Sapria. Yes, all in. There are two more has not turned up yet, but it's okay. While waiting, we'll just continue, okay? So first thing first is about 950. So the distance apart, the whole thing is 624 kilometers. Okay, that is the whole distance here to here. So I just want to put this information. And 9:15 is here for Jess. Okay, so J is going to this direction. I even want to give information for this. The speed here, then after that, nothing is mentioned. But at the same time, he's talking about somebody called Ken. He started off from how W. Sorry, V. This one is V. V to W. For tau V at a constant speed, but the speed is 10 kilometer per hour faster. So you must write the word faster, and it is faster than Jaslyn. So meaning to say, they started off at the same time, which is 9:15. Okay, 9:15 a.m. So what happened here is they told you that they somehow met at 11:15. So he must be traveling more, right? For this person, correct? For Ken, he must be traveling and then coming to here. Okay. How do I know that he has been traveling more? Because he is faster. They start at the same time and then they meet at the same time. So meaning to say they will meet somewhere here. So now the thing is, what we need is this. Okay, this point. All right, let's admit Joseph. Okay. All right. Thank you, Jaden. Give me a minute now while I do the explanation. Okay. So now to say I need to fill up information for 1315, which is 1:15 p.m. So technically, I know that from 9:15 to 1:15, he's taking 4 hours. So at the same time, J also took 4 hours because from 9:15 to 1:15, this is their traveling time. Okay. So then I know that they have this difference in the speed. We call it 10 kilometers per hour, meaning to say 10 will travel 10 kilometers more than J for every 1 hour. Okay, so I'm going to do this explanation. What do you mean by the word faster? So in 1 hour, okay, 10 will travel 10 kilometers more. Okay, more than Jaslyn. So they traveled 4 kilometers, right? So I did told means I copy down. All right, for learning purposes, I will say can travels 40 kilometers more than J. Am I right to say that? Okay, you must understand what do you mean by the word faster. So this is the explanation for that. So explanation for what? For the word faster, which I want to say about this here. So if you understand this, you will notice that you can do something here. Meaning to say, whatever J travels in 1 unit, okay, J travels 1 unit of journey, and K will travel 1 unit plus 40 kilometers. Do you understand what I'm saying? That means he has traveled more than him by 40, correct? So meaning to say, additional of 40 here ahead of him. So what happened here is, I will know that, yeah, okay, yeah, somebody responded, thank you, I know. Now, so that means to say, if I were to do a little bit more of my map, can I say the total distance here is actually 624? Where's my total distance? Total distance traveled, how you know? There, given to you what? Is equals to 6 to 4 because they are apart. So now I'm going to draw this information here, 624, which is also here. If technically you are talking about this, then this is the total distance. Okay, total distance from this. So that means to say, if I were to do this, this is actually 1U plus 1U plus 40 travel. So technically, this one become 2 unit plus 40, which is equals to 624. So what is 2 unit? 2 unit is actually 624. You minus your 40, and then you will get down to, let's see, calculator, 624 minus 40 will be 584. Okay, with the 584, what did they want to find first? Find can speed. So I need to find the 1 unit. So I divide this by 2, I should get 292, right? So 584 equals to 292. But I need to plus my 40. Why? Because he travels 40 more. So I add 40 to it, and that should give you 332. And 332, I must divide it by what? K distance.